I'm Crystal, aka The Points Diva, and I'm all about teaching my viewers how to travel to the edges of the world all on points and miles. In this video, I'm going to highlight top destinations you can visit with your Southwest Companion Pass. Now, if you aren't sure about what the Southwest Companion Pass is, take a look at this video first, then head back to this video. Now, the Southwest Companion Pass has long been one of the best, most underrated deals in travel. And while it's not as easy to earn as it once was, it can still offer an incredible value to those who travel to Southwest destinations with a child, spouse, family member, or a friend. With that in mind, here are the top destinations and best places you can visit using the Southwest Companion Pass. But before we start collecting passport stamps, please hit that like and subscribe button. The first destination on this list is Aruba. With its white sand beaches and warm, inviting waters, Aruba remains a favorite amongst Caribbean destinations. The island's western coast is home to a string of resorts that can be best for every type of traveler, from families seeking calm shores for safe swimming to couples looking for romantic sunset views. We traveled during COVID, so we didn't really get to experience the true Aruba, but we also didn't experience the large cruise ship crowds. But we did rent a car and we explored different crystal beaches. We ate at the most fresh seafood restaurants and explored the flamingos. You can fly direct on Southwest flights from Baltimore and Orlando. The Companion Pass even sweetens the deal, offering a really affordable tropical getaway. From Baltimore and Orlando, typical rates are around 26,000 rapid reward points and $75 in taxes. And the taxes you pay per person. With the Companion Pass, that means you and your companion can fly to Aruba for only 26,000 rapid reward points and $150 in taxes and fees, sometimes even fewer points. Now, I recognize you might not live in Orlando or Baltimore for these direct flights, but you can purchase these flights, then purchase a second flight from your home airport. Next on this list is Belize City. This bustling city acts as a gateway to diverse attractions Belize has to offer, from ancient Mayan ruins to some of the world's most beautiful barrier reefs. When we visited Belize, we stayed at the newest Marriott property. We explored the best beach clubs and indulged on a walking food tour. Belize isn't always the least expensive Central American destination to reach, but it's a great spot to get use of your Southwest Companion Pass. So, Southwest services Belize nonstop from Baltimore, Denver, Houston, and flights from Baltimore can be found for as low as 18,000 rapid reward points and $110 in taxes and fees. Next on the list is Cancun, a vibrant city perched on the Yucatan Peninsula of Mexico. It's a paradise for beach lovers and folks who love to party. The best place to stay is the Hotel Zone, a long beachfront of resorts and entertainment, and this is where most tourists flock for luxurious stays, lively nightlife, and an array of dining experiences. For those seeking a more authentic cultural experience, downtown Cancun, known as El Centro, provides a glimpse into local life with the colorful markets, traditional eateries, and friendly locals. Now, beyond the beaches and resorts, Cancun serves as a gateway to exploring the rich Mayan heritage of the region. The ancient ruins of Tulum and the Chichen Itza, they are perfect for day trips, and it offers an incredible insight into ancient civilization. Southwest offers nonstop flights to Cancun from 19 cities, often for cheap prices. In addition to the usual cities served with nonstop flights listed here, you'll also find nonstop flights from the following cities. Costa Rica, a country known for its Pura Vida lifestyle, is a popular destination for everyone and has been for a while, and for good reason. With reasonable prices, great food, and all of the adventures you can imagine, Costa Rica really does have it all. It also is great for ecotourists and adventure seekers. I really enjoyed exploring the different waterfalls in the area. With Southwest, you're able to fly to both San Jose, the country's capital, and Liberia. Visitors have the option to explore the vibrant city life or venture out into the natural wonders that Costa Rica has to offer. We explored a lot of the rainforest, the jungles, the monkeys, and peaceful beaches. Southwest flies from San Jose, from Baltimore, Denver, and Houston, and Orlando. Southwest flies from Liberia, from Baltimore, Denver, and Houston. From Baltimore to Liberia, you can expect to see prices from 28,000 rapid reward miles to around $80 in taxes round trip. From Baltimore, you can expect to pay around or below 22,000 rapid reward points and $80 in taxes. The next top destination is Grand Cayman Islands. This amazing family-friendly destination is definitely one to not miss with their interactive stingray city, their turtle farms, and of course, crystal clear beaches. Please note, the Cayman Islands ain't cheap. So, using your Southwest Companion Pass miles will definitely help subsidize your trip costs. Southwest flies direct from Baltimore, Fort Lauderdale, and Orlando, and provides convenient access to this Caribbean gem. This makes a great value for your Companion Pass holders and makes the Cayman Islands an attractive choice for those seeking both relaxation and venture into a Caribbean setting. Flights can often be as low as 13,000 rapid reward points and $90 in taxes and fees from Fort Lauderdale. So this is an amazing, tremendous, great value. The last destination on the list is Hawaii. While it is in another country, it almost feels like it when you travel there because it just takes forever to get there. But like I said, not another country, but it is a dream destination for most travelers. Each Hawaiian island offers a distinct experience, from the dynamic energy to Oahu and Honolulu Waikiki Beach to the breathtaking landscapes of Maui's Hana Highway. Visitors can immerse themselves in Hawaii culture by attending a luau, to exploring the historic Pearl Harbor, or just simply relaxing on the pristine beaches of the island. And that's what they're really famous for. We enjoyed endless activities, including hiking in the lush rainforest, snorkeling in the crystal clear waters, and witnessing the awe-inspiring volcanoes. You can reach these additional Hawaiian destinations with Southwest. For example, you can fly from Los Angeles to Honolulu for under 28,000 rapid reward miles and $11.20 in taxes. So, for normal trips, Southwest currently flies to more than 100 destinations across 42 states. While some don't always generate this excitement or a lot of excitement as international destinations, there's still no reason why it shouldn't. With the Companion Pass, you can travel to many destinations like Austin, Denver, Seattle, Washington, D.C. Although I stress to use points whenever possible, paying cash for domestic getaways is a great option as well. Remember, the Companion Pass works for ticket purchases with cash or with points. Southwest frequently has phenomenal sales for domestic flights, and although the carrier isn't necessarily the most desirable for a lot of destinations, it can be a great way to explore the United States on a budget. The Southwest Companion Pass is still easily one of the best values in travel. With both of my kids being over 2 years old, we now have to purchase 4 full-price tickets. So, whether we're using miles or cash, our Southwest Companion Pass helps us visit amazing places like Aruba, Costa Rica, and family members in Boston for half the price. So, if you enjoyed this video and if you have any questions on strategies to get the Companion Pass, feel free to reach out to my pointsdiva.com website for a consultation. Thank you for watching, and please hit that like and subscribe button.